Thank you, Ms. Jones. Let me go on record and say that this organization would not be as successful as it is without employees such as yourself. This organization is not just full of employees, it's about family. And with family, we want to make it bigger and stronger. I want to say that your accomplishment to this organization has not gone unnoticed. Your work is very good, it's tremendous. We are very satisfied as far as what you have done for this company, what the length you have went to make this company as great as it is. The promotion that you received to being a human resource supervisor with 5 employees under you is fantastic. It's phenomenal, and we are greatly appreciative of all that you have done and will hopefully continue to do for the organization. I know you want to discuss your salary, and I have listened to your points. I listened to what you state that you can bring to this organization, in which case I don't doubt it. I don't doubt that you will not give us your all. I don't doubt that you won't give us the best that is of you. And we will appreciate that. We do appreciate all that our employees do, our family do for this organization. As you know, with the economy today is not great. Um, as this business is successful, you want to say, we're still in the lean of struggling. We're at a point where we're trying to make a quota, which we still are striving to get to. Um, and with that being said, I don't want you to think that everything you have done won't be rewarded because it will be. And I just want you to know that I will do what I can to accommodate you to get you to where you want to be as far as your salary. Now, with that, we have other employees that we have considered. We have considered all employees. And it's, you know, hard struggle because, being in this business, you have to weigh the pros and cons. And I want you to know how much we value you, value your skills, your knowledge, your expertise that you bring to this table. Now, while you're seeking to get to the medium, 'cause I also did research onto where you shall be, I would like to offer if you can just be patient with the company, that what I can give you is a 1.5% increase in your raise, and within a year or 2 years, we can within a year. I make it within a year. We'll have this meeting again. We will renegotiate, and we will discuss your salary. And by then, we can get to what exactly you're asking for. So I do hope this is okay with you. I will give you time to think about that, and we will touch base again by the end of this week.